How to watch YouTube in a floating window over other windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, if you want to watch YouTube videos while working on other apps, well, with this method, you can have YouTube in a floating window that stays on top of everything else. So, now without further ado, let's get started. So, here first thing first, simply open the YouTube app through any web browser and now here, once you are inside the YouTube, simply play the video that you want and now here, once you are inside the video, then you simply have to right click on the video player twice and now here in the pop-up menu, you simply have to click on picture in picture option and after that, once you click on it, the video will pop out into a small floating window. So here you can simply click on it and drag it as well to resize the video as well. And here the video will continue playing even if you minimize your browser as well. And that's it. That's how you can watch YouTube in a floating window over other windows. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.